What's up, y'all? It's Jason checking in. Gonna do an unboxing. Got something here from MGM controllers. I will admit I did open this up and then I said, you know what, I'm gonna do an unboxing. So this part was already open, and I saw this and I said, you know what, I'm gonna do an unboxing because this is nicely packaged. You know what I'm saying? So let's get these boxes out. Let's open this one up first. Push the limits. Let's see what this is. Man, they package things real nice, man. Ooh, nice shirt. That will come in handy. Thank you very much, MGM. Much appreciated. That will come in handy. Next box. Let's open it up. X3 Series. Nice little letter. Got some X3 stickers. Nice stickers. Push the limit MGM stickers. Got some more MGM stickers. Here's some stuff. Useful tips with some QR codes. Useful tips. I must say they killed it with this packaging. So let's see MGM. Time for the moment of truth. Got a communication module. This communication module is for the X3 series. It does not work. The X2 module does not work. Let's see if I have one laying around. This module will not work. This is a new one for the X3. So you got to purchase a new module for X3. USD or so. We got a sensor. What is this? CC12. I don't know what this is. And I guess I got a motor, sensor, and an RS cable. Now the big moment of truth. It's just straight wires. There's no bullets on this ESC. It's got one of them, I guess like rocket fans, 50 millimeter. There's no shield on here, but not a big deal. There's your sensor port, some sensor ports, maybe RX cable or something. Got a 8 gauge wire on here, and I don't know what gauge this is, but this is in tin copper. Interesting. This is not tin copper at all. But here's a controller. Alright. See the XLX2? They both have 8 gauge wire on the battery side. XLX2 has bullets. You got wires on this side. They both have 50 by 50 fans. Let's do a weight check. Alright. First one will be XLX2. $376 grams or so. Now the MGM. 316 grams. So, just an unboxing. Gonna push this ESC, see what it can do. We already know what the XLX2 can do. It's an amazing 8S ESC. Castle had told me that the specs on this, and it being a newer ESC and the price point, it should be better. So we'll see. We'll see how these two stack up. You know. Alright, well, I have more videos coming, guys. Y'all take it easy. Peace.